मेरा नाम अक्षय कुमार। मुझे 15 साल हो गए हैं इस फ्रेंचाइज में काम करते हुए। दुख की बात यह है कि आज इस फ्रेंचाइज के अंदर एक किलर आ गया है। अब वो किलर कौन है? मैं आज आप लोगों के सपोर्ट से, आप लोगों की मदद से, साल हो गए हैं इस फ्रेंचाइज में काम करते हुए। दुख की बात यह है कि आज इस फ्रेंचाइज के अंदर एक किलर आ गया है। अब वो किलर कौन है? मैं आज आप लोगों के सपोर्ट से, आप लोगों की मदद से, आप लोग ही बताइए कि इन 18 से 19 लोगों में किलर कौन है? क्या वो किलर? बेटे पहले सुन ले, ज्यादा ज्ञानी मत बन, सुन ले, पहले सुन ले। सबसे पहले, क्या वो निकेतन धीर है? आपको लगता है वो किलर है? वो सिर्फ बाइसेप मार सकता है, लेकिन किसी को मार नहीं सकता है। मैं बता रहा हूं। क्या किलर फरदीन खान है? क्या लगता है, हाँ या ना? नहीं, नहीं, सॉरी। क्या वो किलर नाना पाटेकर साहब हैं? जिनके नाम में नाना हो, ना वो किलर नहीं हो सकते मेरे हिसाब से। आपको क्या लगता है सर, आप किलर हैं?
बाद में देख लेंगे, टिकट कटवाने दो उनको पहले।
ये बोले, बिल्कुल प्रोड्यूसर के साथ मिलके बोले, टिकट कटवा लेने दो। क्या वो किलर जॉनी लीवर साहब हैं? देखो, शक्ल से गरीबी। इन्होंने किसको मारना है? जो आदमी रोज सुबह उठ के चर्च पे जाता है, वो कैसे मारेगा किसी को? नहीं, ये नहीं हो सकते। चंकी पांडे, क्या लगता है? चंकी पांडे, ये देखो, मैं अभी भी बता रहा हूं, बाद में आप सबसे पूछूंगा इनमें से किलर कौन है। सबसे ज्यादा वोटिंग जिसको मिलेगी वही किलर होगा। ओके, ये साइंटिस्ट को बुलाओ। क्या वो रितेश देशमुख है? वैसे नहीं हो सकते, क्योंकि 15 साल तक ये मेरे साथ ही, मैं और ये साथ में मिलके हम हाउसफुल के फ्रेंचाइज पे रहे हैं, तो इनका होना थोड़ा नहीं।
For you, we'll do a quick picture with the entire team, and then we'll do a couple of solos, of course. So,
कि using this kind of word for one of my co-star, like a foolish word or something, I would not appreciate it. I would say that that's not right. He's been with me, I've worked with him since last 30 साल से, 32 साल से मैं उनके साथ काम करते आया हूँ। We are very good friends. He's a great actor. I really admire him. And जो भी कुछ है, I don't think so this is a place where I'm going to talk about it, because whatever has to happen, it's a very serious matter. It is a matter which is going to be handled by the court and things like that. So I don't think I'm going to speak about it here. Okay, thank you.
Hi Ritesh, Anita here. Straight.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Firstly, a huge congratulations. The trailer is amazing.
Thank you so much.
But Ritesh, you have been the soul of Houseful franchise from the start. What do you think the audiences? Why do you think the audiences keep coming back to this film even after 5 films? What is that one thing that brings back the audiences?
I think Abhishek Bachchan. We did part 3. People loved it. Part 4, we missed him, and he's back here with part 5. But I just feel that when we did Houseful, we never thought it would be a franchise. But I think, Sajid Nadarwala came up with a brilliant script, and then it became part 2, and then part 3. Sajid Khan directed that one, and we are here with part 5. I think the love from the audience has been immense for this franchise, and that's the reason we are back. Hopefully, people watch this film with as much love they have watched the previous parts, and hopefully we come back with part 6 again.
Okay, thank you. Saundarya, one question for you. This is your debut, big debut, and it's a big moment for you. Tell us what was your first day on set was, how was it, and who made you laugh the loudest on the sets?
I think I'm truly grateful and very privileged to be sharing a screen space with all the stalwarts, and it's an amazing opportunity, and I feel truly blessed. And from the day one, I felt like we are on a picnic. Everybody's so warm, welcoming. Not even for a moment I felt like that this is my first big, film and opportunity. I'm so grateful to everyone who made me feel like, I'm just being part of this, and so respectful. So much to learn from, and I'm so blessed and grateful to be here. I'm so overwhelmed, and I definitely want to take the opportunity to just say thank you to my god sister Varda. Because of her, and of course because of Sajid sir and everybody, I get to share this screen space with everybody I would have ever imagined to start with.
And I'd just like to add, it did not feel like it was her first time.
Yes, I have worked a big before, but yes, sharing a big screen that way with
you were amazing.
So
Seriously, and we have a lot to learn from you too.
No, thank you.
Hello. Yeah, hi. Here, so in the center. This is Aina from Instant Bollywood. I have a question to all of y'all that, you all have reached the 5th franchise, and I feel like it's sort of very difficult for one film to successfully reach the 5th sequel of it, to sort of have, a new flavor, same characters, and at the same time, keeping the core of Houseful the same. Is it challenging for you guys to sort of,